Okay guys, so we're here at the very special car, and this is a Mines R32, and it's a company called Built by Legends. And I wasn't familiar with what it was, but this gentleman here is wearing the shirt B for Built by Legends. And what can you tell me kind of about your guys' company? How did you guys form Built by Legends, and what do you guys do?
Built by Legends was started by myself and Kuji, a bunch of guys that just like cars.
And what was your name?
My name is Masa.
Masa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Okay. So yeah, the whole concept is in building the car was, you know, a car that we would really like to drive now.
Yeah.
You know, reviving, restoring the R32, but making it better, making it to our taste, so to speak.
Kind of fit into today's technology. And
exactly, yeah.
Still kind of keep the heritage of the past.
Of course, we wanted to keep the authenticity of the R32 for sure, because we like the original car, but still give it more a modern touch in terms of materials that we use and the parts that we use that weren't available when the car was, let's say, new 25 years ago, 30 years ago. And as well, we wanted to work with the best guys that build the car. So that's why we partnered with Mines to build the powertrain, the suspension, the whole setup. They do the finishing assembly of the car.
Yeah.
I figured it'd be a great time to share a little bit of information and history behind Mines engine builders, and I reached out to Built by Legends and asked their permission to use some videos and pictures on their website to help overlay this video to really show the history and the expertise that Mines put into this engine build. This is 30 years of history of these guys hand assembling these things using master engine builders and all their special assembly techniques that all went into this RV28 specifically for this build. And it just shows the level of dedication that is right in front of my eyes that I really didn't appreciate at the time. I didn't really understand everything about this car until after I got back from the event. But it is absolutely incredible. It was a very big pleasure to see in person. I was very grateful to speak with Masa-san. And thank you so much to everybody from the Built by Legends team for speaking with me and giving me the chance to kind of get to know them and talk about the car. It really means a lot to me. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for helping me make this video.
But we also work with a company called Garage Yoshida, which does our chassis work for us. So the car that you see here has been teared down to its more bare chassis.
Bare frame?
Right. And it's been reinforced, of course.
So this is the legendary GT-R restoration shop based out of Japan. This is Garage Yoshida, and you can see the level that they tore this thing all the way down to the frame. And they did all the necessary repairs on the body. They did the spot welding and stiffening of the chassis and fully restored this car to better than brand new condition. And it's absolutely incredible to see this thing in person. And when I was really at the show, like, there was so much other stuff around me at the time that I almost was just overwhelmed and couldn't even really like take the time to appreciate this car. I wish I could see it again and all by itself. And I really just would like to thank Masa for speaking with me and giving me permission to use some of the content from their website and to really kind of show the level of dedication and everything that went into this build It's just really cool, the lineage and the history and everything behind it. This is a completely beautiful work of art and just an incredible Godzilla to see in person. I can't wait to see it again, hopefully next year at Ars Day.
Spot welding, mostly in the open parts.
Did you guys bring it in like acid dip it and everything too? Like go that far, or just take it down
no,
to?
this car hasn't been acid dipped, no. But to be honest, the base car itself was in pretty good shape.
Yeah.
There weren't any rusts on the car, but still we touched some of the chassis as well, but we did some reinforcements to it.
Nice. Now, what can you guys tell me as far as like your history?
Yeah, that's Katsu and I used to work with the Best Motoring guys.
Best Motoring. Okay.
To shoot the videos and to bring the videos to the United States or overseas outside of Japan. So that we were the crew that worked on the filming, the editing of the videos for outside viewers of Best Motoring and Hot Version.
So essentially what Masa and his team from Best Motoring International were doing is they were making English versions of these videos and distributing them to other countries. Thing is, you have to remember is there was no YouTube back in the year 2000 and like the early 2000s, so the only way we could get stuff was by VHS tape or DVD if you had it back then.
Driving line. Everything is done while drifting.
That's how we really started into the industry, and that's how we actually got started our relationships with a lot of the legends in the industry.
Yeah.
Including mine.
So you guys made all those contacts, and now you're able to do this.
Yeah.
What is the interior about? The design? That's pretty cool.
The seat design is actually our company's motif, which is the Mount Fuji.
Oh, Mount Fuji.
Yes.
Nice. That's the Mine steering wheel too? I love the Mine steering wheel. I want to buy one. I just don't want to spend the money on one.
Why not? Why not? It's a nice steering wheel.
It is it's very beautiful.
Classic looking.
Yeah.
Fits nicely with the R32.
Oh yeah, the steering wheel looks great. Well, I appreciate you taking the time to talk to me about the cars and stuff. Appreciate it. It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Thank you.
If you guys would like to learn more about Built by Legends, I will have a link in the description down below for their Instagram as well as their website. Well guys, we are back home in the garage. I've been home for about a couple weeks now. I've just been slowly trying to go through as much video content as I can and try to edit as much as I can, but unfortunately I have a full-time job, a wife, and 3 kids, so I'm really pretty busy all the time and trying to work overtime to finish the build of the RB26 and go with the Nitto 2.8 stroker kit. But how awesome was it to meet Masa and the Built by Legends team. I spent quite a bit of time talking to just about everybody from their team for at least like 20 minutes, kind of getting to know them before I even spoke to Masa. And I got to speak with Dai Yoshihara, and I was going to put in this video the content of Dai actually racing around Streets of Willow in Kevin's car, which was built by UP Garage, but I think I'm going to do a whole separate video of that. I've got enough content and footage of him doing laps around the track, so that's going to be my next video. I'm going to go ahead and edit that probably tomorrow morning and get that posted here a little bit later on. But as you guys can see, we still got the RB26. I haven't touched anything since I've been home because I've been busy. I've got the Mines strut tower bar, so I'm going to do a video opening that, and we'll take a good look at that in good detail and probably set it up on here, see what it looks like We're gonna start stripping out the engine bay, and I got a lot of work to still do. I just don't have a lot of time to do it. But I hope you guys like this kind of content. If you did, smash the thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I did overlay a lot of Built by Legends video to really try to show what went into the car, and this really is the pinnacle of what an R32 restoration can look like. I mean, if you look how worn out and how just this thing looks like it's 30 years old, their car, the video doesn't do justice of really what it is. If you see it in person, every single part of it, every inch is immaculate and in better than new condition, and it was really incredible to see it. And I want to say thank you to everybody on the Built by Legends team. Without you guys, this video would not have been possible to make. And thank you for bringing the car, shipping it all the way from Japan all the way over to America and bringing it to Ours Day for everybody to enjoy. How friggin' awesome. Thank you guys. And I want to get that Mines steering wheel and the Mines e-brake boot. I think that's going to be how I'm going to finish off my car with the Mines strut tower. So thank you very much, Masa. You sold me on the Mines steering wheel. That's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.